got my Anderson Hitch hooked up. I have 4.5 rounds on the nuts tightened up on the back. Everything seems to be level. Take a look, see if it looks right to everyone else. If you see something that doesn't look like it's hooked up right, put it in the comments below and let me know, but I think this is correct. Again, it looks level, measures out to be right. Pulls pretty good there. I'm just wanting to make sure that I've got it right. All right, let me know. Okay, so while editing, I found some problems of my own that I had missed. Forgot to cross the chains, and I had one running across the top of the Anderson Hitch plate that needed to be run under it. So anyway, I think this is correct this time. Okay. You guys can comment below and let me know if I've messed it up or if I got it right. See you later. Okay, so before all of you start saying, geez, that sure is awful unlevel. Wow, that parking lot looks like it's leaning. I'm aware that I took this in the parking lot. I did actually take it up to the school, and the parking lot is level, and that's where I got all my measurements. And then I pulled it at highway speeds. It does actually pull really well. But I just figured somebody was gonna put in the comments that, man, look how crooked that is. That thing's going uphill, or it's leaning. So anyway, I'm aware of that, and I just wanted to let everybody see the hitch and make sure that I do have it correct, and it pulls really well. So if you haven't tried an Anderson, they're well worth the money. All right, see you later.